morning, it's Lonnie.
Manuela Taiao, it's Lucky.
How are you?
Oa mai oi.
It's breakfast time, and I'm feeling hungry. Are you feeling hungry, Lucky?
Yes, I am, Lani. What do you want to eat for breakfast?
How about jam toast?
Oh yes, please. Jam toast in the morning for breakfast is so yummy.
I like strawberry jam on my toast.
And I like apricot jam on my toast.
But first, we need to make the toast. How do we say toast in Samoan?
Toast is fa'apa'u. 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 Toast.
Okay, let's list all the ingredients we need.
We don't need much ingredients. It's very easy to make.
How many ingredients do we need, Lucky?
Only 3. But you will need a toaster machine to cook it.
Wow! Only 3 ingredients? What are they?
Only bread slices, jam, and butter.
Wow! And how do we say bread in Samoan?
Bread is falawa. Fa-lau-a. Falawa. Bread.
And how about jam?
Jam is siamu. Si-a-mu. Siamu. Jam.
And how about butter?
Butter is baka. Ba-ka. Baka. Butter.
Yay! Okay, now we all have the ingredients. Let's make it.
Making toast is not hard at all. Put the slices of bread into the toaster and push down the button to turn it on.
Be careful, it can get hot, so don't touch it.
When the toast pops back up, it's ready. Now, spread butter on your toast.
Then you can spread your favorite jam on top.
Yum! So crunchy and warm. Wow, that was so easy and so delicious.
So yummy. Now all we need is apple juice.
That was a really delicious jam toast for breakfast.
And it wasn't hard to make at all.
What are you going to eat for breakfast? Now you know how to make jam toast. You can have toast too.
And you can put your own favorite jam flavor.
Make sure you're cooking with an older person, like your mom or dad, just for safety.
Enjoy your toast!
Can't wait to cook with you again next time. Tofa. Bye!